Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Revolut Pockets. Revolut Pockets is a feature that allows you to organize your money into separate spaces for different expenses or savings goals. Setting up Pockets is a straightforward process that can help you manage your finances more effectively. To start, open the Revolut app and navigate to the Accounts tab. From there, tap on the Pockets option. If you have not already set up any pockets, you will see a screen that explains what pockets are and how they work. Tap on the Create a Pocket button to begin the setup process. Next, choose the type of pocket you want to create. You can choose from a range of options, including savings, expenses, and budgeting. Select the option that best fits your needs. For example, if you want to save for a vacation, you might choose the savings option. Once you have selected the type of pocket, you will be prompted to give it a name. Choose a name that is descriptive and easy to understand, such as vacation fund or monthly expenses. This will help you to easily identify the purpose of the pocket. After naming your pocket, you will be asked to set a target amount. This is the amount you want to save or allocate to the pocket. For example, if you want to save $1,000 for your vacation, you would enter this amount as your target. You can also choose to set up a recurring transfer to your pocket. This allows you to automatically transfer a set amount of money to the pocket at regular intervals, such as weekly or monthly. This can help you to build up your savings over time. Finally, review the details of your pocket to make sure everything is correct. Check the name, target amount, and recurring transfer details to ensure they are accurate. If everything looks good, tap on the Create Pocket button to set up your pocket. You can now use your pocket to manage your finances more effectively. You can transfer money in and out of the pocket, track your progress towards your target amount, and receive notifications when you reach your goal. By following these steps, you can set up and use Revolut Pockets to achieve your financial goals.